In this section, I'm going to teach you how to copy another video ad. So to do that, we need to go to Meta Ads library, and here we need to choose this option. Now we have to choose all the countries, in category all the ads, and now I'm going to search for my competitor. So I'm going to write ARCADS, that is like NovoAds, but much expensive. So here I'm going to click, and now we have to search for an ad that we want to copy. So let's see, for example, this one.
Can you believe this is AI? I built her with ARCADS AI. Comment ARCADS and build yours.
And well, this is the ad. As you can see, it's a very simple video that we will copy. So let's click here. Now click to copy the URL of the ad. And here in Claude, we need to write, I want to copy this ad of ARCADS AI. Adapt the ad for NovoAds AI. ARCADS is my competitor, so the same ad, but saying NovoAds instead of ARCADS would be nice to use. So now let's press enter, and now we have to wait a few minutes. Here, as you can see, Claude is analyzing the ad, so now let's wait for its conclusions. Perfect. Now Claude is asking us if we want the video to be in Spanish or English. So I'm going to choose the option in English. Now I'm going to choose the recommended option. And here I'm going to tell to Claude that I want the video to be in Seedance 2.5. So I'm going to write here, use Seedance 2.5. Now let's click here. And now we have to wait a little bit. Perfect. Here we have the result. So now let's see it.
Can you believe this is AI? I built her with NovoAds AI. Comment NovoAds and build yours.
Actually, I don't know what you think, but our video, that is this one, as you can see, looks much realistic than the ARCADS video. Now we can add some captions. So let's tell to Claude that we want the captions as well. Add the captions. And now Claude is going to add the captions. Perfect. Now let's see the subtitles. So let's click here.
Can you believe this is AI? I built her with NovoAds AI. Comment NovoAds and build yours.
And as you can see, it's very similar to the style of this other video that, for example, here, the comment is bigger than the name of ARCADS, and here did the same.
Ads and build yours.
As you can see, it's very similar, the style of the subtitles. So now you know how to copy any video ad, and in the next section, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pixar and Claymotion AI video. So see you in the next section.